This is ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. Reporting live from the headquarters in Asmara is Miber Sabatakhla, and following are the major headlines for today. President Hassan visited members of Somali army contingents. Seminar on diseases that are transmitted from animals to humans. Landslides kill 23 in the Cameroon capital, Yaoundé. And the Turkish lira hits new all-time low. On your local report, President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud of the Republic of Somalia, accompanied by President Isaias Afwerki, paid a visit to contingents of Somali mechanized, special, naval and air force cadets who are undergoing training in Eritrea. President Hassan thanked Eritrea for its contributions as brotherly countries for peace in Somalia. President Hassan addressed the Somali military contingents and congratulated the trainees, calling them the future hope of Somalia, along with those who had military training in the past in Eritrea. Seminar focusing on diseases that are transmitted from animals to humans was organized to agricultural experts and representatives of the line ministries in the Sene subzone. The seminar's goal was to increase the attendees' knowledge of diseases that can be spread from animals to people and to equip them with the skills necessary to actively participate in educating the local population about these diseases. Mr. Samuel Kiflesgi, the subzone's head of animal health, urged the public to consume animal products that have been given the green light by health authorities to be consumed. He noted that the best method of preventing diseases from being transmitted to humans is to ensure the health of animals by conducting sustainable vaccination programs. The subzone administrator, Mr. Siyum Ghebreyesus, emphasized the importance of the seminar in increasing public awareness and asked for long-term monitoring of organizations that provide social services to make sure they provide safe foods to customers. In related news, a livestock vaccination program has been implemented in the Debarwa subzone, southern region, as part of the effort to ensure the health of livestock. More than 20 livestock have been received vaccination as part of the campaign, which was run in 27 centers. The subzone veterinary, Ms. Maaza Zer'a, urged farmers to ensure the health of their livestock by bringing it to the immunization stations on time. On your last local report, the residents of Nafa town are carrying out water and soil conservation activities with a view to redress the environment. The residents said that they are conducting water and soil conservation popular campaign, fully understanding its importance in boosting agricultural production, indicating that the residents are conducting the popular campaign since the month of May, guided by agricultural professionals. Mr. Mohammed Hamid Saleh, head of the agricultural office in the subzone, commended the participation the residents are demonstrating in the popular campaign. The viewers, do stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. At least 23 people have been killed in landslides caused by heavy rains in Cameroon's capital, Yaoundé, the emergency services have said. A local radio station put the death toll at 40, saying that many people are still missing. Rescue efforts were hampered by floods, forcing locals to pull bodies out of the debris with their bare hands. Heavy rainfall caused by the Mefu River to burst its banks on Sunday, submerging several neighborhoods. The disaster comes almost a year after at least 14 people died in another landslide in the city. On today's final report, The Turkish currency continued to decline today, falling below 28 liras against the US dollar, making the lowest level on record. The currency is down more than 50% against the greenback so far this year. In September, the Turkish central bank increased the key interest rate by 500 basis points to 30%. The move marked a fourth straight hike aimed at tackling high inflation as part of a broader policy U-turn. In August, the regulator refused to inject more foreign exchange reserves to sustain the domestic currency and manage the exchange rate. The decision to ease regulatory requirements in the banking industry inevitably sent the lira plummeting. Dear viewers, that was all with your domestic and international reports, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. President Hassan visited members of Somali army contingents. Seminar on diseases that are transmitted from animals to humans. Landslides killed 23 in the Cameroon capital, Yaoundé. And the Turkish lira hits new all-time low. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.